Have you ever felt like no matter what you try, something always seems to pull you back from being the healthiest version of yourself? Like you stuck in a cycle of starting over again and again, full of good intentions, but never seeing the lasting results you want. Modern life has quietly reprogrammed us. We've been conditioned to believe that being healthy is complicated, that it requires endless willpower, expensive superfoods, hours at the gym, or trendy diet hacks. But here's the truth that no one's talking about. Real, lasting health is simple. It's rooted in small, consistent actions, and it begins with awareness. So today, let's take a deep breath and step away from the noise. Because what you're about to discover isn't just another quick tip or fad. It's a shift in mindset, a return to the core principles of how your body was meant to function. It's about understanding the natural rhythms of your body and aligning your habits with what truly nourishes and energizes you, mentally, emotionally, and physically. Stop chasing perfection, start embracing progress. One of the biggest traps in the health and wellness world is the idea of all or nothing. We set impossible standards, and the moment we slip, we give up entirely. But here's the thing. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Real transformation happens in the small, messy, everyday decisions. Drinking water instead of soda, choosing rest over burnout, cooking one homemade meal instead of eating out. These choices matter, and when done consistently, they compound into powerful results. Your body is always communicating with you. That bloating after meals, the 3 p.m. energy crash, the brain fog that won't lift. These aren't random annoyances. They're messages. Your body is incredibly intelligent, always giving you feedback. But most of us have learned to ignore these signs, masking them with caffeine, sugar, or medication. When you start listening, you begin to heal. Awareness is the first step toward change. Nutrition isn't just about food, it's information. What you eat tells your body how to function. Every bite is either helping or hurting your energy, mood, digestion, and inflammation. Processed foods confuse your system. Natural, whole foods bring clarity and balance. It's not about restriction, it's about communication. You're either fueling life or feeding dysfunction. Move in ways that feel good, not just to burn calories. Exercise shouldn't be a punishment for what you ate. It should be a celebration of what your body can do. Walk in the sunshine. Dance in your kitchen. Stretch your body first thing in the morning. Movement is less about burning fat and more about activating your vitality. When you move, you shift energy. You clear your mind. You reconnect. Stress is the silent saboteur. You could eat the cleanest diet on the planet, but if you're constantly stressed, your body is in survival mode. Chronic stress increases cortisol, disrupts hormones, affects digestion, and blocks fat loss. Start noticing what drains your energy. Protect your peace like your life depends on it. Because it does. Sleep is sacred. Sleep isn't just rest, it's recovery. It's detox. It's your brain resetting. When you sacrifice sleep, you sabotage your health. Most people need 7 to 9 hours. And not just quantity, but quality. Reduce screen time before bed. Create a calming nighttime ritual. Your health begins the night before, not in the morning. Water is the most underrated medicine. Before reaching for supplements or fancy drinks, ask yourself, are you drinking enough pure water? Dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, poor digestion, and hunger cravings. Your body is mostly water. Treat it that way. Hydration is one of the easiest and cheapest health upgrades you can make. Your environment shapes your habits. If your kitchen is filled with processed snacks, that's what you'll reach for. If your fridge is full of vibrant produce, that's what you'll eat. Don't rely on willpower. Design your environment to support your goals. Small tweaks create big results over time. Your mindset determines your momentum. If you believe change is hard, it will be. But if you shift your inner dialogue, if you start saying, I'm learning, I'm getting stronger, I'm healing, your actions will follow. Transformation starts in your mind, long before it shows up in your mirror. Your health is a reflection of your daily rituals. It's not about what you do once in a while, it's what you do consistently. The choices you make most often are shaping your energy, your weight, your mood, and your future. You don't need a total overhaul, just a few intentional changes, repeated with love and patience. Now here's the exciting part. You don't have to do this alone. And you don't need to figure it all out from scratch. There's a simple, natural, and effective way to begin this journey. One that's already helped thousands of people reset their metabolism, regain their energy, and feel amazing again. It's called the Smoothie Diet, a 21-day program that focuses on nourishing your body with delicious, nutrient-rich smoothies made from real foods. It's fast, convenient, and proven to help with weight loss, digestion, energy, and more. If you're ready to take the first step toward a healthier, more vibrant you, the kind of change that actually lasts, then I invite you to check out the link in the description below. It might just be the easiest and most enjoyable way to start transforming your life from the inside out. Your health is worth it. You are worth it. And this is your moment to begin.